channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to place an order on Costco Wholesale online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in costco.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Costco Wholesale. From here, you'll be able to place an order. In this interface, you'll be able to find various products over here. If you do not find the product over here, you can also search for it. Simply click on the search bar that you can see at top. Now search for your product over here and press enter. Now you'll be able to see the search results over here. Simply click on the product that you want to buy. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find more information regarding the product over here. You'll be able to see the reviews and price. Also, you'll be able to see the features. You might also have to select the color, size, etc. After you're done selecting that, what you have to do is also select the quantity. If you want to increase the quantity, click on the plus icon. If you want to decrease it, click on the minus icon. Now after you do that, click on this option, add to cart, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the product will be added to the cart. So what you have to do is simply click on this option, view cart. Now you'll be able to view the cart over here. You'll be able to find the product that you've added to the cart. You'll be able to find two shipping options over here, standard, express. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll also be able to see the subtotal, discount, shipping and handling. You'll also be able to see the estimated total over here. Simply click on this option, checkout. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface. You can see over here, first of all, you'll have to enter the shipping address. After doing that, you'll have to specify the payment methods and you'll also have to choose the shipping options. So first of all, what you have to do is enter the shipping address. Click on the option first name and enter the first name over here. Likewise, enter the last name. Now also enter the street address over here. After doing that, also enter the zip code. Now after you enter the zip code, also enter the city over here. Now select the state. Now after you do that, you'll also have to provide the email address. Now scroll down, click on the option phone number and enter the phone number over here. If you want to save this as default shipping address, you have to check on this option. Now after you do that, what you have to do is check on this option. By checking this box and placing my order, I agree to receive at the phone number I provided automated text, automated or pre-recorded messages, etc. After you do that, simply enter the phone number over here. Now after you fill out your shipping address, what you have to do is look right over here on your screen. Over here, you'll have to enter the membership number. You have to enter your membership number to avoid paying a surcharge on your order. You can also skip it if you want. Now over here, you'll be able to find the subtotal, discount, shipping and handling and estimated tax over here. If you have any promo code, you can enter the promo code over here. After you enter the promo code, you can click on this option, apply code, and the promo code can be applied. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the total over here. Now after you're done providing all the informations, what you have to do is click on the continue to payment option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, what you have to do is add a payment method if you do not have. If you already have the payment method, continue to payment. Simply complete the transaction, specify the shipping options and your order will be placed. So that is how you place an order on Costco Wholesale. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.